What's up everybody, my name is Dwight and welcome back to GeForce Garage. With the International coming up soon, let's take a look at this Dota 2 themed build from KunMod out of China.
大家好，我是 KUNMOD 工作室创始人方坤，今天有幸来到 Rampage Club， 为大家呈现这台 Dota 2主题的 GeForce Gaming PC。我们选用了最具代表性的 GeForce GTX 1060显卡，并为主机增加了 NVIDIA 独有的绿色信仰灯光。这台 Dota 2主题的 GeForce Gaming PC 将长期在北京三里屯 Rampage Club 做展出，希望广大粉丝前来围观，谢谢。
Thanks for showing off another great build, Kun. Look forward to seeing what else you have for us in the future. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and we'll see you for the next one.